Hi guys, my name is Ishan and in this video I am going to tell you what sales funnel is. And not just that, but by the end of this video you would find out why sales funnel is really important and also all of its stages in details. Plus I am gonna share a little bit of my pro tip with you, so watch till the end so that you won't miss that pro tip. So let's begin with my very first concept of sales funnel. Okay, and if you go by definition, a sales funnel is a process of converting a prospect into a customer. In simple words, you would know like every business perform various promotional strategies in order to attract people to buy their products. Am I right? So before actually purchasing a product, every customer has to go through a different stages of, you can say, a pre-purchasing phases, or this phase is what they call